Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street close benchmarks mostly higher on Fed's policy shift. http ntvforex.com news ID 039232 3 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added NBSP 160.35 points, or 0.57%, to 28,492.27. The S&P 500 put on 5.82 points, or 0.17%, to 3,484.55. The Nasdaq Composite fell NBSP 39.72 points, or 0.34%, to 11,625.34. U.S. benchmarks enjoyed a well-telegraphed lower for longer theme from the Federal Reserve today, which helped to support the financial sectors. The Fed's decision to adopt an average inflation strategy have confirmed the expectation of persistently low interest rates and extensive QE. Assuming no upside inflation shocks spoil the favorable environment that has been supporting risk appetite on Wall Street, the confidence in the Fed's new inflation framework is probably here to stay. Consequently, the S&P 500 and the Dow advanced. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added NBSP 160.35 points, or 0.57%, to 28,492.27. The S&P 500 put on 5.82 points, or 0.17%, to 3,484.55. Although NBSP the Nasdaq Composite fell NBSP 39.72 points, or 0.34%, to 11,625.34. NBSP the financial sector buoyed both the S&P 500 and the Dow, pushing the former to its fifth straight record closing high. The Dow, on the other hand, remains more than 3.6% below its record high reached in February. On the political front, there was a wobble on Wall Street later into the day on the back of House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi's statement saying Democrats and Republicans remain far apart over the next stimulus bill. Jackson Hole outcome: the Fed moved to an average 2% inflation target, stating that following periods when inflation has been running persistently below 2%, appropriate monetary policy will likely aim to achieve inflation moderately above 2% for some time. Analysts at ANZ Bank noted that the long-run inflation expectations, as captured by TIPS break-evens, lifted slightly on the news, continuing the trend of the last 2 months. That's exactly what the Fed is trying to achieve, of course, and in such a weak economic environment getting inflation sustainably up to target 1% be easy. But it's an important thought experiment. What will happen, in this world of enormous debt, when inflation expectations eventually, one day, for some reason, get high enough to push up yield curves meaningfully, either because central banks are expected to respond to it, or because the SP 500 levels. NBSP overview today: last price 3,490.5, today daily change 16.25, today daily change percent 0.47, today daily open 3,474.25. NBSP trends: daily SMA 20 3,362.42, daily SMA 50 3,243.4, daily SMA 100 3,090. 4.27. Daily SMA 200 3079.88. NBSP levels: previous daily high 3474.25, previous daily low 3441.5, previous weekly high 3400.75, previous weekly low 3354.5, previous monthly high 3293, previous monthly low 3073.5, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 3,461.74, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 3,454.01, daily pivot point S1 3,452.42, daily pivot point S2 3,430.58, daily pivot point S3 3,419.67, daily pivot point R1 3,485.17, daily pivot point R2 3,496. 33.08 daily pivot point R3 3517.92 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.